Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. We've created a new design of wooden study table and chair for kids. You can download the free PDF pattern for the jigsaw cutting and DXF file for the CNC or laser cutting. The download link is provided in the description. Wooden table and chairs are very strong and durable. Other low-quality alternatives may last for a few months, but wood is a material that can last for years. If you like this pattern, then give us a like and please subscribe to our channel to get the new content. Thanks for watching.